When COVID first hit, the first thing I thought about was the doors. You have to think about what are the psychological barriers that are going to prevent somebody from coming to the space and enjoying themselves. Our entranceway, which is massive and beautiful, really needed something as a solution. Something about Stanley stuck out to me when I had my child and I was in the hospital and everything's Stanley. You just sort of get that feeling like this has been well vetted by the best hospital in the world. I think one of the big things was understanding that the doors were really heavy. So you've got like a vacuum suck inside of the vestibule, you've got wind issues because you're in New England, and you need it to be a really good user experience. When we reached out and Greg came down, we went through the problems. Greg made really good suggestions around what door to open, how it should be opened, the technology we should be using. Next thing you know, we've got touchless doors that work really well. And instantly, people use them. Stanley's technology really made us a technology and innovation building.